Hello there and happy new week. It's Monday edition of Business Nigeria. These are the stories we are tracking for you right at this time. Federal government assures farmers of security support nationwide. Nigeria-Australia partner to address skill gaps, deepen bilateral ties in mining industry. UK PM unveils new tech tool Extract, says AI makes us more human. Well, let's see the commodities market very quickly. Gold, silver, copper, and platinum. Today, gold is down 0.21% from this chart, and for price, it's $3,339.60. That's for an ounce of gold. For silver, it's $36.37. Copper is $484.55 for an ounce, and platinum is $1,209.96. Positive 33.53%, and for copper it's down 0.05%. Silver is up 0.64%. Corn is down 0.34% for $441. Wheat, cocoa, and cotton. Cocoa is $9,224 per metric ton, and it's still down 2.31%. Cotton is $68.20, down 0.04%. That's for a metric ton of this commodity. Wheat is $552.75. Well, let's take you quickly to global markets where shares jumped and dollar paired recent gains as Asian markets reacted to better than expected United States job data ahead of talks in London aimed at mending the trade rift between the United States and China. Now, Wall Street stocks had closed sharply high on Friday after the jobs data eased concerns about damage to the world's biggest economy from President Donald Trump's unpredictable tariff regime. But MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside of Japan is in green 0.7%, with Australia's markets shut for a holiday. Japan's nickel stock rose 0.9%, also in green, as pan-region Eurostock 50 features pointed to a decline, while United States stock features the S&P 500 E-man is slid 0.2% into red. Trade optimism lifted Chinese shares. Hong Kong Hang Seng index rose 0.8%. That's in a green, torching 24,000 points level for the first time since March 21st. Chinese blue chips CSR 300 index added 0.2%. Well, let's see crude oil prices now had held on to most of last week's gains as investors awaited U.S.-China trade talks in London, hoping a deal could boost the global economic outlook and fuel demand. Now, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to $64.69 per barrel with an upward price margin of 0.17%. That's WTI. Brent crude futures sells for $66.58. It has an upsurge of 0.17%. Bonnie Light sells for $78.62 with a downward price review of 2.84%. And for the OPEC basket, dealers offer $65.10 per barrel, and it's at an uptick 0.05%. Well, let's get to our first conversation this Monday afternoon. Nigeria's President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Wednesday last week marked his second anniversary in office by declaring that his economic reform